here on Studio 10. We love getting lots of financial advice, especially from our friends over at Modern Woodmen. And Chaz joining me right now. Thanks so much for letting us stop by.
Thanks for having me, Nicole.
Yes, we're talking a little bit about something that's a little serious, of course, life insurance. So let's go over the monetary benefits of having that cash value of life insurance.
It's so terribly important, Nicole. And it's actually one of the biggest misconceptions out there, too, because there's many different kinds of life insurance. So many people have heard of term life insurance, which is very common through the workplace. And very similar to renting a home, that's really how term life insurance works, where you can rent the account for a certain number of years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, or 30 years. Those are the most popular options. And this may sound a little morbid, but if you don't pass away during the time that you're renting the policy, the insurance company keeps all those premiums that you put into it. So exact same way that you know, if you rent an apartment or rent a house, there's no equity that builds inside of it. So cash value life insurance, what we're talking about today, is the exact opposite. So it would be the equivalent of owning a house, meaning the amount that you're saving in every single month, that amount, Nicole, is building cash value in your account. And there are many benefits, tax benefits to having a cash value life insurance account, because those dollars that you're saving, number one, they're off the radar screen of the Internal Revenue Service, but they're completely liquid and accessible to you while you're alive. Most people believe they have to pass away to reap any benefit from their account. Yeah. So cash value life insurance, the savings and the value inside of it, you can use while you're alive.
No, that's so important, and I think you helped to kind of giving those metaphors of what we know, the renting or versus owning. So very important stuff right here, right now that we can do.
That's literally exactly right. So, and one of the biggest benefits in the eyes of the Internal Revenue Service tax code is cash value life insurance, because every dollar that you save into it, once it's there, Nicole, the government can never get their hands on it ever again, which is extremely advantageous.
Yes, and I'm so glad that we're learning this and we can do this right now. So if someone is interested in doing this and want to learn more, what is the best way to go about this and utilize this very important tool?
Yes, there is a lot that goes on with it, a lot of different ways that you can structure the account. So the best thing to do is really just give us a call, 517-393-3800. We can set up time to visit, talk about what your needs, what your goals are, what your concerns, wants, and wishes are, and if it makes sense, help formulate a plan to achieve those things.
Yeah, that's great that you guys can have this conversation, because everyone is different.
That's right.
All right. Well, thank you so much for letting us stop by and talk about something serious but very, very important.
My pleasure. Thanks again for coming out.